Good morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant. Today we will see exercise of chapter 5, Friends of the Trees. Okay, so pay attention and listen carefully and understand the exercise solution. Dear students, first of all, we read about prefixes. Okay, what is prefixes? Okay, prefixes are the letters or group of letters added at the beginning of words. Dear students, it is added. Okay, it is added at the beginning of the word. Beginning of the words. Okay, some prefix when added to the words form new words. Okay, it forms new words that are opposite in meaning, for example. Okay, in the story, beetles find their new form in the bark of the tree to be quite comfortable. Okay, but this cause discomfort, okay, to the tree. The woodpecker helps his friend to save him from the uncomfortable situation. Dear students, we have add comfort in new prefix dis. Okay, it makes discomfort. Okay, now we add comfortable in un. It makes uncomfortable. Okay, in this way, prefix such as un, in, dis, miss, im, okay, are often used to form opposites. Okay, so let's see a exercise A. Using the above mentioned prefixes form opposites of the words in brackets and complete the sentences. Dear students, the words given in the brackets, you have to add above these prefixes to make opposites of the sentence. Okay, and fill in the blanks. First question is, the task looked blank when we first began to work. Bracket word is possible. Okay, so dear students, we will add here I am impossible. Okay, in this, dear students, it will be impossible. We will add I am. Okay, now second sentence is, the story sounded blank, but Kritika said that was how it exactly happened. The brackets word is believable. Okay, dear students, in this sentence we will add un, unbelievable. It will be unbelievable. Okay, now in third question, he blanks Paresh words and instead of going to the theater room instead of the auditorium, the bracket word is understood. Dear students, in this sentence prefix will be miss, M-I-S, misunderstood. What will be here? Misunderstood. Okay, now in another question number 4, the internet has been blank connected the bracket word is connected. Here will be, dear student, disconnected. D-I-S. Disconnected. Okay. Disconnected. Okay. Disconnected. Now, question number 5. Ritesh seemed to be behaving rather blank with Satish these days fairly. Dear students, in this sentence, will be unfairly. What will be unfairly? We will add unfairly. Okay. Now in question number 6, I know for a fact that Arpita blank tomatoes likes. Dear students, in this will be dis. We will add dis, D-I-S, dislikes. Okay. In question number 7, it is blank hot for a winter day. Usually, dear students, in this blanks will be we will add unusual. What will add unusual? Okay, unusually. Okay. Now we'll see the next paragraph for the another questions. Okay, so pay attention. Question number 8. I could not find Rahil in the crowd. I thought she had become blank. Bracket word is visible. Dear students, we will add here invisible. What will we add? Invisible. Okay. Now, question number 9. The story of the fire seems to have been blank in this newspaper. Blank bracket word represent. Dear students, we will add here unrepresented. What will we add? Unrepresented. Dear students, in this way, this blanks is complete. And now we will see another exercise. Okay. So look at these words: rewrite, redo. Here are the prefix re. Okay. When added to words, suggest a repetition of the action that the word shows. That is, when we say rewrite, the mean write something again. Okay. When we say redo, when we mean something again, do. Okay. Complete these sentences using the words from the box. Okay. The box, by helping the box, we will complete the exercise of filling the blanks. Okay. We had to blank our whole strategy. Okay. There will be replan. What? Replan. First number is replan. Now second number, Tarun went to blank his bottle. What will be? Refill. What will be? Refill. Second number, refill. Now third number, blank the device to complete the updates. Third number will be restart. What? Restart. In fourth, Sania decided to blank the dramatic club. Fourth number, rejoin. What will be? Rejoin. And fifth, they could not blank his name, however hard they tried. Recall. What will be? Recall. Dear students, in this way I have explained very well in the blanks and prefixes words. I hope you have understood these exercises. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.